Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. So guys, in this video I will tell you how to upload your app to the Play Store. How to publish your app to the Google Play Store. Alright, so guys, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I have this simple project, okay, which I had developed. And if I want to upload it to the Play Store, what I need to do is, first of all, we need to change our package name. Alright, because the Google Play Store does not accept the com.example package names of the apps. Alright, so now if we upload this app, the Google Play Store will generate an error. They will say that you need to change your package name in order to upload the app to the Google Play Store. All right, so guys, we need to change the package name. So how can we change the package name? So first of all, click here and uncheck this compact empty middle packages. All right, and now here you guys can see we have com example Harun runtime permission. Okay, so now we need to first of all change the com. So right click here and go to refactor and click on rename and click on rename all, and here you need to change the name, so we can say, let's say, programming. Okay, so click on refactoring. It will take some time. All right, so now the change, it is now changed programming dot. Okay, so now the next step is we need to change this example. So right click here, go to refactor and click on rename, and here we need to rename package and click now can say experts. Okay, now click on refactor and click on do refactor. So now guys, it is also changed. Okay, so now this is all right. So now the package name is changed. So now we also need to change the package name in our build.gradle file. Okay, so how can we do that? Go to build.gradle file, and in here we need to change it. Okay, so how can we set? We can say programming dot experts dot harpoon dot time permission. All right, so now click on synchronize now. Let's see if it gives us any error or not. Okay guys, so now the package name is successfully changed. So now the next step is we need to generate a signed apk. Okay, so how can we generate this signed apk? Okay, it is giving me an error. Let's rebuild the project again. All right guys, so now we need to generate the signed apk. So click on build and click on generate signed apk. Okay, and here we need to set our key store path. So how can we do? We need to create a new key store path. Okay, and so now here we need to provide our path in order to, let's say I have abc, and password will be abc. Okay, and everything will be abc. Okay, and first name Harun, organization unit, farming experts, office, uh, job 92. Okay, and we need to click on okay. Okay, password must be at least 6 characters. All right, so we can say 1 2 3 4 5 6 sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, now also we need to change it to 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 4 5 6. All right, and we need to save the path, so we can say we need to paste it in D, and let's say we rename it as RAKS. Okay, click OK, and we also need to set click OK. All right, and we need to click next, and here it is saying for my master password. So let me enter my master password. Okay, and I need to click OK. Okay, so now here we need to check Both, okay. V1 jar signature and V2 full APK signature, and click on finish. All right. All right, guys. So now our APK is now generated. We need to open that. Okay, so this is the generated APK which we can upload it to the Play Store. All right. Okay, guys. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye. And in my next video, I will tell you how to build your app icon and screenshots of your app for the Play Store. All right.